In the previous video, I talked about how Darwinex can help traders build a credible track record to attract investor capital and benefit from that financially if they trade well. But the reality is that you'll need a proven and verifiable track record to get to a position where investors are willing to put their trust in you and your trading strategy. You see, investors rarely trust short track records, so it might take 2 to 3 years to attract meaningful investment. But what if you're still early on in your journey as a trader and you don't have that proven track record? This means you can't take advantage of this additional revenue stream. So for many traders who want to increase profits quickly, they unfortunately resort to trading with high risk. But of course, with high risk comes the very real probability of destroying their trading capital and their track record. But don't worry, there is a better way, and Darwinex has you covered. As you progress along this journey to eventually attracting investor capital, we want to incentivize you to trade sensibly. We want you to be rewarded at every step of the journey without you feeling that you ever need to increase your risk. How do we do this? We allocate seed capital to traders. And we've designed it to work in a way that gives traders a taste of what it's like to attract real investor capital. Think of this as a healthy incentive to trade sensibly and build your track record, so that in the future you can successfully attract real investment capital. It's a stepping stone to help you get to the other side of the river. The seed capital that we allocate is virtual, but aside from the fact that the capital isn't really invested, everything else mimics the investor ecosystem as realistically as possible. We then pay success fees on the profit you make on those virtual allocations, and of course, this is real money, which you're free to withdraw and use as you choose. We believe that this is the best way to encourage traders to act sensibly while getting rewarded financially and building that all-important track record. We call this seed capital allocation program Darwinia, and if you have a live Darwinex account, it's completely free. You'll see a link to a video that will explain more about this on screen now.